Hello and welcome to my channel. Yes, my name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder and we're going flying. As you can see right there, Lancaster bomber that we're doing. Stage 41. Frame for the starboard wing. There we go. We're going to get a very large part out, and you may see a part of it right there and a little part of it and the camera that you see right there. But let's go on. We're going to put the two engines on, and that is it. And we're going to try and see if both of the engines work when we put them on, and see how that will work. The war on the U-boat. Don Bennett with a very peculiar car. He tried to design cars. It's very nice that they're calling it tried. So let's get these two on. As you can see right there, this is the wing. I think we're just putting it in like so. But we're making sure that these wires, I think, oh, this one goes through and that one can stay out, because this wire can go through there. That is in it's in the way. But where do I send it? Well, let's try to get it on the above side. It looks a little bit nicer. Yeah, we leave it like that. So we take the wires and we leave them to the side on the top side of the wing. And we're going to put some BPs in the four corners, but on the other side, and it's BP, so sorry about that. It's hard for me to show. Make sure you don't over tighten that, which I just did. I haven't put these on yet. All right. Let's get those things out of the way and do these cowls. I need to check what that one is, but I will put it in later. So I've got the cowl fully on. Alright, we put the BPs on first. After I put those cowls on. Cowls is the outside here. And then we turn it around and put those BPs on the other side as well. And then I need to put that one back in again. I lost one of those. But that's when you're handling the engine, that happens. Alright, one side screwed in, so let's carefully turn that around and do the other side. 6 BP screws, and the last one is that one in the middle right there. So we're going to turn it around again carefully. Get the other engine out. So we've pushed it on properly. Now let's get 4 of those BPs on this side, and then we need to put 3 more on the other side. We've got quite a wing here. I think it is the starboard wing, as they said. Let's turn it around carefully and put 3 FMs in, as they said, because we're screwing into the propeller frame. I'll have to check what that screw type is for the cowl, to put the cowl, keep the cowl together, but I haven't got the magazines up here. That is not good. See, and now they're showing how the wires should go. Okay, I'm gonna do the whole wiring changeover after this filming, because they want the wires to come up here and then through there, and here they want it to come out right there instead of where it's coming now. So there's a whole lot of wiring that is not properly in there, and I need to undo this one because that is properly killing that wire, meaning it's snapping it. So I don't want that to happen. Let's get these out and I'll show you how the wiring should go. Now that's loose. Alright, that's good then. What I should have done is put it through there, but I can't, so I'm pushing it under. Alright, so now let's see if that is okay. seems to be okay. So let's put everything back on again. I'll show you that in the well, I should show you now, but as you can see, this cable should be routed like that through there and then out there. Is it not? Oh, I went too far. No, should be routed through this one, then around the landing gear and into this little part here. This one we do the same thing with. We're going into the same hole here, and this one is exactly the same. I'm just keeping them in there to keep them neatly in there. That is something I need to put. Can't put that back in again anymore because it's in there somewhere. So, and we put that aside. That is stage, what is this stage? 41 done. Let's see what we do in the next stage, which is 42, of course. '42. Yep, wires and things, frame supports. And we need to put a lot of little wires through, and we've got little things to keep them in. Okay. Oh, sorry. Dornier. That's it. So we're getting that one back again. Let's get these out. I think these are the first things we're using. Okay, this side is pretty easy. And we're putting a GP screw on right there. But the other side we have to take care of the wires again. So we need to do a little bit of wire tidying here. I think we need to put that in and wire tidy over it. There's no other way. That's the best thing to do. We put that little strengthening thing in and the wires go over it. So like that, you can see right there. Now let's do the other ones. The second one thing we do is the shorter version. Sorry, that's making a lot of noise, I know. So we're putting this one in right there, and we're putting a GP screw on both sides. Then the longer one, it goes in here. And two more GP screws in there, three in this case. This is all to strengthen the wing. We've got all those in. We've got two wires. There's a longer and a shorter wire. Alright, we're going to leave those screws on, that's on like so for a moment, because that needs to dry, and I think this is the last thing we do in this stage, so that's good, because I need the cameras to cool down and I need the glue to dry, so that is what we should have. Let's take the biggest camera that I have here, like that, and we've put these little things in to keep those wires in, but I put those stickers on to keep that little thing in, because I put a little bit of my filler glue, and that dries pretty darn slowly, so let's finish this off and say thank you to you. Thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more of this on this beautiful wing, or on the rest of the engine or plane, and or anything that you see right there or on my channel. Please have a look at that, and I hope you will join me next time. Thank you very much for this one. See you next time. Bye bye.